In this video, I'll show you how to root your Google Pixel step by step. This method works for Pixel 6, 7, 8, 9, and the Fold series. You'll learn how to unlock the bootloader and install Magisk for root access. No extra tools, just your PC, the Pixel phone, and a USB cable. Also, make sure your phone is charged at least 50%. Now let's begin. Open Settings on your Pixel. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times until you see You are now a developer. Go back to Settings. Open Developer Options and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Download and extract Platform Tools, and then type CMD in the address bar of Platform Tools folder. It will open a command prompt window. Type ADB kill server. To make ADB program ready, type ADB device and hit enter to check if your phone is ready. Download latest Magisk Manager APK from Google and type ADB install drag and drop Magisk APK. Now open Magisk APK in your phone. Download and extract Google Pixel 7 firmware, as I have downloaded already. Open Firmware folder, and then open zip file with 7Z. Now find boot and init os boot files, extract both files anywhere. As I have extracted on desktop. Copy these files in your Pixel 7 storage. Now launch Magisk app in your phone. First, make sure if you are connected to Wi-Fi already. Come back to Magisk app and tap on Install. Choose Select and Patch a File. Now open Storage folder and boot.emg, which we have copied from Firmware. You will see a running script in Magisk. After that, come back to Magisk Home, tap on Install again, and choose Select and Patch a File. This time, choose init.boot.img file and repeat the process. I think patching boot.img is not necessary, only init.boot.img is enough to root Pixel devices. We have both files patched in our device. Check if your MTP port is enabled. If not, then reconnect your device and choose File Transfer Mode from your phone. Copy both patched files on your computer. Now come back to command prompt and type ADB reboot bootloader. This command will reboot your phone in fastboot mode. Just wait for a few seconds. Now we are in fastboot mode now. And as you can see, I have unlocked my phone's bootloader already. We will flash both patched files one by one. File with less size is initboot.img, and bigger size file is boot.img file. Magisk changes their names after patch so we can judge files by comparing their sizes with stock files. Now flash both files one by one, flash boot.img by this command fastboot flash boot, and then hit enter. Now flash init.boot.img by this command fastboot flash init.boot and hit enter. Now we will wipe data from recovery. So type this command fastboot reboot recovery and then hit enter. This will boot your phone into recovery mode. You can press power button twice to boot quickly. If you see no command error in recovery, simple press power and then volume button, same time now, you can wipe data. After wiping data, reboot to normal mode. Fully set up your device now. Open Apps drawer and you will find a Magisk app link. First, connect your phone with internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi. And then tap on Magisk app link to download and install compatible Magisk app version automatically. You may need to wait for a few minutes, or you can simply uninstall this link and copy-paste Magisk APK from computer again. As you can see, we have a fully working Magisk with root access now. You can check it with any root checker application now. Congratulations! Your Google Pixel is now successfully rooted. You can now install root apps, custom modules, and more. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more mobile software solutions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. See you in the next one.